talk to you about the best cashback apps that you can consider this year, especially when it comes to earning money, especially when it comes to earning rewards with Cash App. You got to have the best apps. Okay, so here are the top apps I want you to pay attention to. First of all, you have Rakuten, and Rakuten has been around for a while now. So when it comes to a cashback app, Rakuten remains a pretty reliable one. Okay, so if you want to start using one of the best cashback apps for shopping, you want to sign up for Rakuten, and this popular cashback app, formerly known as Ebates, gives you a cashback when you shop at over 3,500 popular retailers. So the cool thing about Rakuten is that you have the reach, you have the speed, and you have the flexibility that comes with the cashback that you earn through Rakuten. Okay, you can use Rakuten's double cashback deals to earn even more cashback on your purchases, or combine cashback offers with Rakuten coupons to save money as you earn. So that flexibility is actually baked into their business model. And Rakuten has a pretty long expiration requirement. So your cashback is going to be there for a long while. And to earn cashback with Rakuten, you want to open the Rakuten app, install the Rakuten browser extension. So you have to have the browser extension. Otherwise, your cashback is not going to be accumulated. It's not going to be computed. Okay, so you need to install the Rakuten browser extension, or you can visit the Rakuten website and select the retailer. Click through the Rakuten link and then shop as usual. There's nothing else. You just shop as usual, and then things are happening in the background. So Rakuten will automatically apply the cashback you have earned to your account, and you can receive payments through a PayPal or a mailed check. I recommend that you have PayPal because a mailed check is not the safest strategy. I mean, there are people who have actually had their checks lost. Okay, so unfortunately, Rakuten only pays out every 3 months, which is really a clear disadvantage if you want your cash paid out faster, right? So if you're hoping to get paid every week, it's not probably the best cashback app for you. On the plus side, Rakuten typically offers a welcome bonus just for signing up. And if you have an eligible American Express credit card, the cashback you earn on Rakuten can be turned into membership rewards points. So this is really good. If you're looking for a top cashback app this year, I want you to think about Capital One Shopping. The cool thing about Capital One Shopping is that it's actually part of one of the largest credit card processing companies. Okay, so that gives you a more flexibility, but also more chances to win. Okay, big time to win, to actually earn cash back fast. So that's really good. And so Capital One Shopping allows you to search thousands of merchants to help you compare prices within seconds, and connects you to the best deals on whatever it is that you are planning to buy. Okay. One thing I want to say is that with Capital One Shopping, you don't need to be a Capital One customer. No, the app is actually independent, so you can download it regardless of your status with Capital One. Okay, so don't feel like you necessarily have to have a Capital One credit card to be able to use the Capital One Shopping app. So when you are ready to make your purchase through like either online or even offline, Capital One Shopping automatically searches for valid coupon codes that might help you save even more. So not only are you accumulating a cashback through Capital One Shopping, but you're also getting the possibility of getting coupons. So, but also if you want to wait on your purchase until the next big sale, Capital One Shopping can even send you price drop alerts. So this is really good from a flexibility point of view. Now to use Capital One Shopping, download the browser extension or install the app. Okay, you don't need a Capital One account to use Capital One Shopping. I've said this before, but I want to insist on that because I don't want you to think that you need to be a customer of theirs before using the app. Okay, simply install, activate, and shop as usual. Capital One Shopping will automatically search for deals and coupon codes to help you maximize your online shopping. So this is really good from a flexibility point of view. You can also earn shopping rewards for select purchases, and this rewards can only be redeemed for gift cards, which is probably Capital One Shopping's biggest drawback, right? Because you have like you are restricted there. But if you want to earn a little extra money as you compare prices and track the best deals, Capital One Shopping might be the best app for you. If you're looking for a top cashback app this year, I want you to think about Ibotta. And what I love about Ibotta is that you have flexibility there. And so if you want to, especially flexibility in terms of earning cash back when you shop for groceries, okay? So although Ibotta offers a cashback on purchases with many different brands and retailers, it really stands out as one of the best cashback apps for groceries. So groceries are where they really flex their cashback muscle, if you will. Okay, so this is kind of cool. And when I say groceries, it's really across the board. Whether you like to do your shopping in store or prefer to have it delivered, you can use Ibotta, not a problem. So to earn with Ibotta, you want to download the app or you can install the browser extension. Okay, so it goes either way. And search Ibotta for cashback offers at your favorite retailers, as well as money saving offers associated with your favorite brands and products. One thing I want to say is that with Ibotta, you gotta really you got to think about seasonality. Of course, the app will send you a notification, but seasonality is where it's really at. Okay, trying to be you want to really think about the timing of the let's say the promotional campaigns going on right there. Okay, and you can activate your cashback offers if you're shopping from your computer, or you can add the offers you want to claim to your Ibotta shopping list if you are planning to shop in store. So, and from there, you can shop as usual. So, if you are going to do in store shopping, it requires actually more preparation, okay? Because Ibotta likes to have things done electronically. So, it's a lot easier to do the shopping electronically. So, if you're shopping on your computer, any activated cashback offers will automatically be applied to your Ibotta account. And if you are shopping in person, you may need to upload your receipt to Ibotta before your cashback can be applied. Okay, so consider linking your store loyalty accounts to the Ibotta app so that Ibotta can automatically track your purchases and apply the cashback you've earned without requiring you to upload a receipt. Right, so you have more flexibility there. And keep in mind that if you have you may have to activate Ibotta deals or add Ibotta offers to your shopping list before you can earn cash back. Okay, so that extra step makes it harder to maximize your rewards earnings, especially if you often find yourself forgetting to activate your deals. Okay, so this is kind of cool. And Ibotta actually goes a little further because it lets you withdraw your earnings as soon as you earn $20 in cashback rewards. Okay, and the cashback you've earned can be deposited in a bank account or can be redeemed for gift cards. So this is kind of cool. If you're looking for a top cashback app this year, I want you to think about Upside. What I love about Upside is that Upside allows you to earn cashback when it comes to gas purchases. Okay, so if you make a lot of gas, grocery, restaurant, or convenient store purchases, Upside may be able to help you earn cash back on those common everyday expenses, especially when it comes to gas. I mean, gas is really, really wonderful when it comes to Upside. So, unlike some of the other cashback apps on my list today, Upside actually is designed to be an app you use while you're out and about buying groceries or filling up your car, right? So again, the gas inclination, and you won't find online shopping opportunities with Upside, but you might find a few opportunities to save in your immediate local area. So you can see that Upside really focuses a lot on local searches. So to use Upside, you need to download the app. You need to make an account and look for offers in the local area. Again, Your geography, your city or states are going to be your area. When you find a good deal, claim your offer and make your purchases. Confirm your purchases on the Upside app or upload your receipt, and your cashback will be applied to your Upside account. Okay, so things can be really fast, 24 hours, 48 hours turnaround time. Okay, and remember to pay with a good cashback credit card to store your rewards and earn even more. So this is really good. What I love about Upside is that the cashback that you earn through Upside never expires and can be redeemed directly to your bank account or PayPal. So this is really good, and you can also use your Upside cashback to purchase gift cards, for instance. If you're looking for a top cashback app this year, I want you to think about Fetch. People don't, not a lot of folks know about Fetch, but Fetch has been around for a while, and Fetch has had a proven track record for many years now. Okay, and so basically, one thing I want to say here is that a lot of people have never heard of Fetch. The only time they have heard about Fetch is during the 2025 Super Bowl commercial, like the Super Bowl, their Super Bowl commercial, right? So when they ran a live sweepstakes giving away $1.2 million in $10,000 increments to 120 new users. Okay, so that's kind of something to really think about. Okay, and so they ran also another 1 million sweepstakes promoting Fetch Play activity amongst the users, which brings like a pretty good promotion campaign going on. But the thing is that Fetch actually is a good app to think about. Okay, so Fetch rewards you with 25 points for every scanned receipts. There's a limit of 25 to 35 receipts within a 7-day period, and they also give you extra points for purchasing featured brands. Okay, you can also earn points with like using the app feature Fetch Play, which rewards you to actually play popular games such as Candy Crush, Monopoly Go, Scrabble Go, Clash of Clans, and many more. So average users earn 3,000 points a week with Fetch Play, and points can be redeemed by receiving cashback via gift cards, donating to charity, or entering into a Fetch sweepstakes. However, it's worth to note that points do expire after 90 days. So if your account isn't active, okay, 90 days, that's 3 months. If you're looking for a top cashback app this year, I want you to think about Retail Me Not. And what I love about Retail Me Not is the flexibility. So when you add Retail Me Not's browser extension to your favorite browser, Retail Me Not will automatically find deals, coupons, and cashback offers as you shop. Right. So this is done in the background. But the cool thing is that you are basically saving as you start shopping. The app regularly offers deals for up to 60 to 65% off on popular brands like Target, Pottery Barn, and Carter's. Okay, unfortunately, and that's a bad thing that Retail Me Not has to fix. They do put some limits on the amount of cashback rewards you can earn, so you are limited to 7 rewards per retailer and 20 rewards total per month. So your activity on Retail Me Not is kind of limited, okay, because of those restrictions. If you think about it, and your cashback rewards can take up to 45 days to process, after which they can be redeemed through PayPal or Venmo. There is a minimum withdrawal of $5 required. Okay, so be have that in mind. And the cashback limits and processing times are the main shortcomings of Retail Me Not. Okay, so this is something to really think about. But overall, this is a very popular cashback app, and you can use the browser extension to take advantage of deals and coupons. Okay, if you are if you are going after a particular brand, so this is kind of cool from a flexibility point of view. So those are the top 6 cashback apps you need to really think about this year. Okay, Rakuten, you have Capital One Shopping, Ibotta, Upside, Fetch, and Retail Me Not. So let me give you a quick overview before we close to this conversation. The thing is, if you like earning cash back on your purchases, you might already have one of the best cashback credit cards, okay, in your wallet. But you should also think about the cashback apps, okay, especially if you are trying to really double or triple or quadruple your cashback awards. So pairing a top cashback credit card with a popular cashback app can help you save money on groceries, clothing, restaurants, and more, especially if you are going after a few brands. And some of the best cashback apps automatically search for coupon codes, send price drop alerts, or help you earn cashback through your store loyalty accounts. So you have flexibility big time. And this can help you also when it comes to your budget, right? So this is kind of cool. And one thing I want to say here is that the best cashback app will depend on where you shop and how you shop too. Now, the top 6 cashback apps I just gave you, I'm not just saying that you should only install 1 or 2. I mean, you can, as a matter of fact, you can only install all 6 of them. Okay, that's really something to really understand. But the bottom line here is that the best cashback apps help you save money and earn cashback on the products you already purchased. I mean, I'm not saying you have to purchase something else. No, you're not really pushed to consume more. No, those products that you already that you're already purchasing, you can save on them like gas, groceries, clothing, and more. And so this is really important. So in terms of the worthiness of cashback apps, everything depends on your commitment level. Okay, cashback apps are by no means a get rich quick method, but they can be a source of significant savings if you put in the work, because you got to put in the work, right? There is no free lunch here. And so when I say put in the work, this can be keeping track of new deals, having a willingness to buy featured products, and staying consistent with submitting receipts. Okay, so that really shows some level of preparation, and those apps are safe. Okay, they're safe. All 6 of them are safe, but please read their privacy policy to understand how your data is stored and how your personal information is protected. Okay, so this is something to really think about. But bottom line is that this is a good source of saving, and the cashback apps are making money too. Okay, they make money in a few ways. They earn commissions from retailers when you shop through the app. They share a portion of that with you as cashback, and they also sell consumer shopping insights to brands, helping companies understand buying trends. Okay, and there are some apps that even earn money from ads or premium memberships. So you have a lot of possibility for revenue generation. So as a recap into this conversation, I spoke to you about the best cashback apps of this year. So the best cashback apps: Rakuten, Capital One Shopping, Ibotta, Upside, Fetch, and Retail Me Not. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.